up, guys? We're back here with yet another video today, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make a hot glue phone case. So first thing you want to do is get some hot glue. You want to take the phone and just make an outline around the phone, didn't get any spots that you missed. Okay, then now what you want to do is just like go around the camera, and then just make the design that you want to make. Just do some like lines. Like that. Then, then you want to get all of the sides. When you get the bottom, make sure you don't get the plug-in, the thing that you plug your phone into. So just skip around that. Then now we want to do the other side. Like that, and then you have it. And then once it dries, you just want to take it off of the plastic wrap, and then then just take the plastic wrap off, and it should fit pretty good. And that's how you make a phone case.